Hello, so welcome today for this Udemy course. So this is a basic course on Udemy. So, we will learn how to do Solidworks technical drawing today. So we are going to learn what is the drawing part of the Solidworks, and we are going to cover topics which are in the Solidworks materials. For drafting part in Solidworks, it is called as Solidworks drafting. So it is called nothing but drafting, converting a 3D model into 2D. So we are going to start now. So we are selecting a sheet size now. So there are different standards, ANSI, ISO standards. You can select any of the sheet standards, or you can create your own custom sheet size also. So as you can see, I am going creating my custom sheet size. So whatever dimensions I want, length and width, I can do, and you can choose the different values you want if you don't want the standards. Generally companies use standards only, so we'll go with that. So as you can see, there's a default standard sheet. So as you can see, we are going to create a view, standard view. So we are going, you can see in the right side corner we have import annotations options, we have view palette. So you can click on the three dots and create a view palette, and you can select whatever drawing views you want. So I am creating right side view. You can see I am projecting the views here. So any number of views you want you can project, not a problem. So you can create orthographic views and both isometric views. Okay, so this is how you create different views. I'm creating a dimension right now, so go to smart dimensions in annotations and you can pick your dimensions. Okay, so you can see the default option for annotation comes. You can say create the precision, how much precise the dimension is, means in terms of units. So you can see here standard 3 view unit is there. That is nothing but front view, top view and side view. Sometimes maybe bottom view also, depending upon our request. Okay, so you can see here we have model view, standard 3 view, projected view, auxiliary view, section view, detail view, broken out section, break view, crop view. Okay, so different types of views are there. Auxiliary view, you can see here you can create a view unfolding a new view from a linear entity, that is either an edge, sketch or an entity. Okay, entity is a component of the model which I'm making. So you can see here these are three default views. Okay, so you can see at the right bottom of the paper you have some standard palette, so you can create your own palette also. Okay, you can edit those palettes and you can give your company name, if you are a student you can give your college name. Okay, so I'm using model view right now. So as you can see here, my 3D view as a preview. Okay, it's asking me to start command when creating any drawing. So this is cosmetic red display, either it is high quality or drop quality. Okay, as you can see, if I select, I have different options. So it is reference configuration, so it is in default. Okay, you select it, some model appears. Okay, now you need to select different options here. Okay, I am placing the view right side, so the same object, you can see the difference. The edges are clearly visible in the high quality, but in draft quality it will just like you have drawn a part on a piece of paper. And you not get that much precision in 2D in drafting. So that is the difference between the both. Okay, so this is mainly used for printing. If you want highly parts which are different sophisticated edges, you can use different between draft quality and high quality. Okay, so you have seen different options. So one by one we are going to discuss. Okay, so we are going to see model view again, and then press on the next button. Okay, previously you got a preview. Whenever you want to create a new drawing, just click the tick button. Okay, so you can see the default orientation is there are different types of orientations like front, back, bottom, left, right, isometric as visible in the options. So I'm selecting one of the view. Okay, whichever view you want in your drawing you can select, not a problem. Okay, just place it where you want. You get the same one. Okay, so as you can see here, let me select the different options here. Okay, so as you can see I am locating the views which are on the left side, that is nothing but tree display. So I can easily locate the trees drawings, different drawings which I have done. You can access all the 3D model features from the tree display at the left hand side. Those are same as in 3D modeling. So if you want no information about 3D modeling, you can view my other courses. So you can see I am having option of creating multiple views at a time. So instead of selecting one by one, I can select 3 or 4 more than 2 views at a time. Okay, just select them and place a variable font. That option also I have. So as you can see I have created almost all the multiple views available for me. So more than 2 views can be created at one time using multiple view option. Okay, so it is a very handy tool if you are short of time. So we are going to see different options now. There are more views. You have trimetric view, dimetric view. Okay, means trimetric view has 3 dimensions. Okay, you can even set the different options here. Okay, dimetric and trimetric. Then wherever you want you can place it. Okay, and you can see choose between those options. So different options have different performance. Okay, you can create a preview also if you want. If you want mirror option, you can use same as in modeling, 3D modeling. Okay, so you can use import annotations, means if the dimensions you have given in the modeling in sketch, you can import those annotations. So same like design option, whatever annotations you have given in design 2D 3D so you get those. Okay, if you are include items hidden in the tree. Okay, hidden features. So okay, with whatever hidden items you have created in 3D, you can close those things. So you can see here 5 operations are there in display style: wireframe, solid edges display, solid body display, and so you can see here edges are being displayed, whatever inner features also you can see here. So these are the different display styles you can choose from the Solidworks. Okay, see this is a 3D and this is a shaded 3D display. Okay, so you can use the scale, sheet scale or custom scale. Custom means whichever dimension you want you can use. In that you have use module text, means whatever model text scale is there in 3D, that only you can use, or you can use user defined also. So that is also option. Okay, so now I'm giving 1:2.5. so in that scale it will come. In dimension type you have projected and true. Okay, and different options are there, same high quality and rough quality as we discussed before. And in more properties you can have some more properties. Okay, you can use default configurations also. You can create different configurations which you want and use them. Okay, in this tutorial we have only default configuration, so we'll adjust with that. Okay, now we are going to go for model view. Okay, as discussed previous, all the options will be here. In whatever views you want, you will have the same options. So these are the default options. Okay, next different options will be there, which are going to see in further classes. So standard 3D view and model view we have learned in this first part of the course. Okay, let us continue. Okay, projected view tomorrow. Thank you.